Good evening to all of you. Today we will see how the admin can monitor the activities of the teachers. First, the admin has to log in into their Diksha account. You have to enter your mail ID or mobile number. After that, you have to enter the password. After entering the details, you will log in to the account. Now, on the top side, you can see one button is there. Here you have to click. Now, you have to go to My Groups. For creating your school group, you have to click My Groups. Already I have made a group of my school. You can make your school group by clicking this one. You have to make your school group by clicking the plus button here. After clicking the plus button, it will ask for your group name. You can enter your school name as per your need. Suppose example KV GC. Okay, and you can enter your school name. I have already entered the sample name. The same way you can enter description. You can write here Diksha Diksha group. Okay, after clicking this, you have to click the check button. Now when you click this one, after that you have to click the create group. After that the school group of it will be created. Then you have to click create group. You can see when I click this one, your school group will be created. Now how to enter into this? You have to click this one. The first important thing is to enter the member details, your teacher's details. After that you have to click members. Now after entering clicking the members, it will ask for add member. For that you have to take Diksha ID from your teachers. You have to click this one, add member. Now it will ask for your Diksha ID. For the sake of sample, I am entering the Diksha ID, one of my teacher, Ashali underscore 58H. When you click the ID, you have to click verify. It will take some seconds. Some pictures will be, you have to verify. It will be different as per the situation. Buses we have to click. So I am verifying this one. Traffic lights, you have to click. It will be changed. It will not be as same as it is. Parking meters. After that you can see the name of the teacher has appeared. After that in the bottom you have to click add group. The teacher will be added to the group. In this way as many as other teachers of your school can be added by entering their Diksha ID. You have to take their Diksha IDs. In the same way you can verify and add to your school group, so that when it is entering on the top side, it will show the school teachers, member 120, 30 as per in your school, the staff members. After that, the most important thing is activities we have to click. Now you have to click in the bottom, you can see add activity we have to click, because they are doing the courses. Now you can see how many teachers are doing the courses and what is the percentage of a course they have done. So you have to click the add activity. after that you have to go to course. After entering the course, on the search bar you have to enter the course IDs of KVS, the sample I am entering. Curriculum. Just to enter this one keywords. Now you can see the course of KVS has come. You have to click this one. After that, in the bottom you can see add to group. You have to click the add to group. In the same way, other courses you have to enter. You have to add. Now you can see when I am added this one, it is shown here. Now I want to see the activities of the teachers. Now you have to click this button. When I am clicking this button, just for a wait of a second, now you can see these teachers which you have added have completed the course. That's why it is shown here right. If it is not completed, it will show some percentage, 97%, 0%. If they are not completed, if it means it is okay, it means they have completed way. In this way, you can enter as many as teachers here, and you can add courses here with the help of activities, and you can monitor the activities of the teachers. If some teachers have not completed, just you click this one and take the screenshot or printout of this page. You can give to them, okay, they have not completed the course, and reminder it can be used. So it will be helpful for you to monitoring the activities for the administration. Thank you. This only video only this for this much.